Lightning, salute, you fucking monkey!
Because of the
More navy. More navy is here.
Yo,
Get
gang,
around.
I'm lagging so much. There's lean. I'm wet. I'm wet and lean.
let's raid Silverhold with a Hostel Clan.
Well, sounds. Raid their ass. Raid their ass.
war crime, boys. War crime.
We commit war crimes, real.
Getting to
We said war crime, not autistic screeching.
war crime.
I thought we were supposed to be the traumatic event. Why the fuck are we getting traumatized?
I thought we were supposed to be a traumatic event. Why the fuck are we getting PTSD? I want to feel pleasure from. I want to feel pleasure. Where are you?
Kai!
Let me eat. Let me eat. Not asses, but like let me eat.
Hey, Kai is here. Kai is here. He's molesting my ass.
I killed a girl and the way she died looks like her sword got stabbed in her ass.
She told him to like give a sword. She wanted to feel. She wanted to.
Another one.
She wanted to feel
They
everything.
they put a sword up her ass just to feel something.
Nah, bro, she's a masochist. Bro,
What does that mean?
she's a masochist. She's a masochist. Guys, Lightning's the one stuck now.